Hi there, students. Muggy. Muggy is an adjective. This is a word describing the weather when it's really hot and humid and rather unpleasant. Okay, so the weather is very muggy today. It's very muggy out today. So, hot and sticky, sultry and warm. Yeah, there's a very muggy day. Notice in the UK the weather is not often muggy, but I don't know, if you go to somewhere like Iquitos in Peru, it's really, really muggy. So it's warm, close, hot, and sticky, uncomfortable. Yeah, it's hot with lots of water dissolved in the air. So, a very muggy day in the middle of August. Okay, so it's warm and extremely humid. It's a good word for the weather. The day is forecast to be muggy and overcast, sticky, sultry, rather clammy as well. So, how formal is this? This is a neutral word, and you can use it almost anywhere. So I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. You may ask, can you use it metaphorically or figuratively? Let's see. People don't normally use this metaphorically, but I guess if you used it as a metaphor, it might just work. The atmosphere in the meeting was very muggy, but they're going to think that it was. People are going to think that it was hot and humid, and the room needed ventilating. Okay, I think this word muggy translates very nicely for this really good Spanish word bochorno, but that's probably not going to help many of you. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the old Norse word mugga, meaning drizzle or mist. Yeah, so Old Norse, this is from a Viking origin. Yeah, I guess us northerners don't like it so much when it's hot and humid. Today is going to be even muggier than yesterday. Close, oppressive, yeah, but use it to talk about the weather. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Muggy, talking about the weather.